the world get allowance every week. There is a lot of ways to spend it, but this is what I would use it for and the reasons why. First, I would save it up to buy video games on Steam like Fallout and other games. I also like to buy plastic models like Bandai or Tamiya. Second, I like to buy ice creams like Gataom or Lucapa. The reason I only buy ice cream is because ice cream is very cheap and tastier than other foods. This was my favorite things to do with my allowance and the reasons why. Thank you for listening.